Okay, Ed Akehurst back. In this video, we're going to embed videos and images into a Genius Pages page. So we're on this page here. We've got a header, some text, and a button. I'm going to do the embed code first. If you go over to blocks, you'll see there's an embed section. Do not use that one. At the time of this video, that's not working. If you want an empty block with just an embed code, go ahead and open and put an empty block in and then put a component embed in there. So that's where we want to go for anything we're going to do with an embed. Go to components, embed, and you'll see this code thing, and then put it where you want. We can put it where the blue bar is. Remember, above the text, above the header, between the header and the text, below the text, above the buy button, or below the buy button. I'm going to put it in the middle here, and you'll see now we have a thing that says embed your code here. So on the headers and text and things, you'll remember we have a little pencil if we want to edit it. On this one, you'll see a code symbol, and when you click it, a code box will open up. And what we want to do is go out and get the embed code for a video. I've got one here. Oops, I was already there. When you're on a YouTube video, for example, if you go to share, you can click embed, and you'll see this code here. It's got the bracket on the left, then iframe, and then end iframe and bracket. You can highlight that and copy it, or you can click copy or right-click it, however you normally copy things on your computer, and then come over here and you want to paste it into there. Now you can't see the end of the embed code because of these buttons. If you have that issue and you need to do anything, just go to the beginning of the line and you can go down there, see, and then you can scroll over and see things. You can change the width and the height in here. See that says width 560, height 315. So you can change some different things, and there are some other options you can change if you know code, like autoplay and other things like that. Allow full screen, things like that. So if we don't need that though, let's go, if we don't need to edit anything, we'll just leave it there and then click the save button. And there it is. It's right there. Now, when you get that over, it does not look like it's centered. Don't worry about that. If you hit save now, let's let that save. I'll show you. We'll go to preview. And if you look at the preview, it is centered. See that? It's beautiful. Now that buy button's a little too close. If you remember how to do that, we can go hover over the buy button. We can just add a little padding here, a little margin at the top. Let's do just 15, I think will be fine. And watch that buy button bump down a little bit. See, beautiful. Okay, then we can save again if we want. So that's how to embed videos using a video code. You can also embed them by going to media. And you have videos that you can embed, and you have images that you can embed. Let's do an image. We'll put this one up here above the text, and there's a placeholder image, and there are several things you can do with the image. You can edit it, and you'll see you can make it a clickable link where you can choose a page from another page in your website, or a block if you want to go to a different place on the page, or you can put an actual URL in there, and it can become a clickable link. That's great if you want to do your own buy buttons and things like that. For image, you can open up the image library, upload things from your computer to take place of the placeholder there. You can also add attributes or alt attributes, title attributes, and alt for SEO purposes if you want. And you can change the style. You can change the radius here, and you need to leave the PX in there. So if we go 50 pixels, watch the top left border. See how that curved it out. So you can put a nice little radius. You can do all the different corners if you want. You can put a border color on there, and a style of border, dotted or dashed or solid, and you can make that a width. So you can, make a little frame around it if you want. Then you can also embed a video using this embed code here. Let's put this one at the very top of the page. That's right there. And for this one, what you want to do is you'll just put the code in. So again, if you click it and click the pencil, see it says YouTube video ID. We needed the whole code to embed from here, but all you really need is this code here after the equal sign, and sometimes you'll see and then a whole bunch of other things in there that are different codes from where this came from. You don't want any of those. So just the short code here after the equal sign, copy that, paste that in where it says the video code is, or if it's Vimeo, there'll be a similar ID for Vimeo, and there it is. That's it. That's how to do videos and images and get them embedded. And If you have any questions, just let me know, and we'll see you on the next video.